Hello, Cancer. How are you? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your career, money, and business reading for the week July 21st to July 27th. So, I have, posted reading 6 monthly reading July to December on career, money reading, and also I post monthly and weekly videos on career, money, and business. Also monthly love readings and few videos on manifestation. So you can just go into my playlist and please watch the videos if they interest you. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you do like what I do. Let us see how the week goes. Four of Rods. Four of Rods basically talking about a partnership or an association coming through for business people. It could also be about a job situation that you finally get the job. You were waiting. The Mercury has just gone forward, and there will be job letter of confirmation coming. So basically, a deal going through, which talks about celebration. So it's something that you're happy, that makes you happy. I mean, both the parties happy, Cancer. So, and also this could talk about some expenses. Maybe some of you are getting married or engaged, or you're taking your relationship to the next level. So you have celebrations at home with friends and family. So that it could talk about expenses with celebration. This is what I feel. Uh, this is Page of Pentacles. So some of you are focused. Usually, this is a Page of Pentacles is a card of scholars. So some of you are in learning about business, learning about your new job, learning situation. You are into an internship program. You are into a learning program. Maybe it's distant learning, online learning. So it's about learning. Also with Page of Pentacles, I feel, and these are short-term courses, like short-term learning. Also, some of you I feel is like very focused on as it is a card of scholar. Some of you are getting jobs into teaching and as a lecturer, a professor in some university. With this Four of Rods and Page of Pentacles, that combination, I feel that some of you are getting jobs, teaching jobs basically. So let's see the other cards. Page of Rods. So something, a news, a small piece of news or a message coming in, a communication coming in, which is good, which makes some of you happy. It could be related to something that you were working in your recent past, and you get this confirmation news. It might just be in the initial phase because it's a page energy, and there are a lot of other details still to be known about that. Maybe a job has come through and you still are waiting for the details, your salary details, how much money, the tax deduction, and I feel you want to know about other, you need to know about other aspects too. So Page of Rods is this one piece of communication coming to you, news which will make you all feel good. Three of Pentacles. So working hard, it's about working hard on your skill, enhancing your skill to earn more, to earn more money. That is what I feel in Cancer here, to get that satisfaction, professional satisfaction in I feel you are attending seminars, meetings, and meeting people, and you are traveling. You are traveling with this Page of Rods and all this. I feel that you are reaching out. Also with the Pentacle card, there could be some inheritance issues or legal matters related to inheritance for some of you, legacies, loans, funds, all that I feel, because there are two Pentacle cards here. Two of Pentacles. So it's money for Cancer. So it's just talking about your juggling business and job. For some of you, you are juggling both. For some of you, you're thinking of juggling both. So it's like some of you are already in a job which is not that satisfactory, so you're taking up a business alone, and some of you are doing this juggling thing. You know, you are very fine balance as the between the two of things, and it requires a lot of expertise, you know, and lot of hard work to do this juggling. So good card for Cancer. The week, like you have full plans, you are reaching out to people, and it's about, you know, you are intuitive and ambitious, and you want to work for money. This is what I get. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel if you do like what I do, and see you in the next week reading.